There is a new launch pool on Binance. You'll be able to stake token and get free token on Binance Launchpool. In this video, I'm going to explain the full details of this event. For you to be able to participate in this launch pool, you need to navigate to this section on your app and come over here, Launchpad. You have to navigate over here, launch pool, and you will find this farming token right here, NTRN. The farming period is going to be 20 days, and until farming starts, until farming end is 19 days, 7 hours. And right here you'll be able to stake this FDUSD pool and TUSD pool and BNB pool. So this APR percent of people who stake TUSDT has not been shown right here, and you'll be able to only see this BNB. And if you watched my previous video, you will see that I'll show you guys how to stake on this pool. Just press this stake right here and you're able to stake. You press the stake again and press the amount of token you want to stake, these marks, and press stake. I won't be able to stake on this pool because I don't have this 0.011 of this maximum or minimum of token to stake. Right here you just need to go back. This is the total stake of BNB is 9,644,000 plus of BNB, and the APR of this coin is close to 4.92%. And the same thing goes to this other pool. You just need to stake the token you have and get the free token. You just need to press stake again, then you will use this stake right here. You need to get this token for you to be able to stake. Get it right here on the marketplace. Once you get this, just need to go back again, this more, and right here, Launchpad again. We'll be able to stake now, and again you can use this TUSD pool. Press this also. You need to have this coin in your account for you to be able to display stake right here. If I go back, you will see right here this BNB pool. I have this 0.00001 BNB, and that's why it brings this stake out. And if I use this max, it will say I don't have the minimum amount to stake. So that's what you need to be doing, and just stake your token right here and get free token, and that's all you need to be doing.